Okay, so we
Welcome back to this frickin' joy of a coffee house.
I'll be a monkey's uncle if I'm putting my moolah in the bank. What's up with this like coin dude?
I don't know.
Little bag. So wait, he's
Is there
a
a
coin.
But he has a money bag.
Yeah, with coins inside. He's
Dude,
like a rapist.
that's like a torturer. Torturer.
It's like a human with a little bag of humans. For all I
That's
know,
horrible.
the devil probably controls the place too. They'll never get a hold of my gold if I spread it all around. And if some Joe happens to find a coin or two, good for him. That's what I say. Harumph.
Sweet, thanks for your money.
Free money. Didn't you say there were more levels up here?
Yeah. I swear I saw levels up here. Like that circle right there.
Do it.
Here we go. Forest Fool Follies. Follies?
Fools?
Follies.
Oh, it's a
Follies.
running gun, man.
Running gun.
This one's
What does that
hard.
mean?
So
They're
there's no
hard?
bosses, you're just trying to get through it and everything's trying
Okay.
to kill you. It's
All
like
right.
Dark Souls, but cartoony.
But awesome. And worth playing.
Ah!
Gotcha. I gotta jump. I keep looking at you whenever I play this. Get the coin. Did that give it to you or both of us?
Both.
Dude, I'm getting good at
If we
this.
get-
Oh, shit!
If we get okay by that purple thing.
If we get what?
If we get coins, it goes to both of us.
Okay, that's sweet. Here we go.
Oh. Oh!
Is that blue guy gonna come back to life?
Yeah. Okay, now go.
Ah!
Blue guy comes back to life, careful.
Ah! Thank you.
Go.
Thank you. Go, 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 go. Get out of here. What's that?
Mushroom.
Dude,
Okay,
why
careful
is
with-
everything like
careful with
so
that
happy
plant
and
thing.
cheerful and like... Oh! Oh! Why is everything so happy and cheerful but it wants to kill us? Are we
How
the
slow
invaders
you are.
here? Are we the bad guys?
We are the bad guys. This is their home. Ah! Oh. What?
Did you get
Save
it?
me!
I can't.
You can parry that purple thing. Damn it!
Got it.
Ah! Everything's trying to kill you! Man, I'm Mr. Acorn. I'm gonna fall on your head.
Dude, Mr. Acorn's like, I'm gonna rape you.
What? Dude, you have to freaking dash across that.
Dude, I keep forgetting that we... Ah!
Wait, why are you going backwards?
Because I'm scared.
Go
I keep
forward!
forgetting we have a dash.
It's running gun. Oh, you dashed right into
You
it!
screwed me!
It was right in front of you! Okay.
Okay, dude, don't
Freaking go
frickin'
faster.
die.
I'm gonna
Don't
yell
get mad
at
at me,
you.
you frickin' dick.
Hey, we got that guy in the air. Yeah, suck on that, bitch.
Dude, we're frickin' wrecking. So wait, is it gonna...
Nice.
What the crap?
Damn it! Why do we keep getting hurt?
I killed him. What's the fart bubble?
There we go, there we go.
What's the fart bubble?
What fart bubble?
There's a purple fart bubble. Oh, shit.
Oh, that's from the mushroom. He shoots that. Go, 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 go!
Oh!
Dude!
Thanks, bro.
Yeah, no worries, man. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot.
Got him. Go. Go. Oh, shit, Keenan.
Ah, purple! Okay, we got it, we got
Dude,
it.
you're stressing me out.
Damn it! Save me! No!
I couldn't!
You didn't even try!
That's it, we're speed running.
You didn't even try and save me! Do you not have anything to
Dude.
say?
Dude,
You
I
didn't
don't
even
know. I'm
jump.
sorry. I'm so stressed. Do you expect me to be good at this?
Dash! There you go! No, no!
Shit!
You can jump over the mushroom!
Dude, okay. This is it. Get it. Stay alive.
Jump over the mushroom!
Okay? Oh my gosh, my throat hurts. Could you not go so freaking far?
Dude, it's easy! The farther we
I
stay
love
back, the more guys come, so just...
I love the purple floating fart bubbles. Dude, my headphones are falling. Okay,
Let's
go, 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 go.
Ah!
Dude, I can't. I can't. Got it.
You got it! Hell yeah.
Ah,
Freak!
you're stressing
Go,
me
go,
out.
go, go! Okay, this mushroom... Ah!
The freaking mushroom. Thank
There we
you.
go.
Oh shit.
Got him.
Guy behind you. I got him. Okay, that guy's gonna change. Yeah, shoot him.
Let me get rid of him.
Little blue guy.
There we go. Go. I hit the thing.
Oh, I freaking hit it too.
Okay, the acorns are dicks. Oh shit. Okay,
Dash.
Jump, dash.
Just jump through all these.
Dude,
come on.
that's not how a running gun works. I'm gonna die. I'm dead. Keenan.
Dude, running gun's fast. You gotta go quick. Oh, damn it. Shit.
Fuck. Dude.
Damn it.
Oh, we're so close. Okay, help me focus. Don't yell at me.
Okay, just go faster. Okay, I'm sorry I yelled at you again.
God, we almost just got hurt right there.
I love how we both got it.
I love the popping noises.
That's right, son of a bitch.
I need to remember to dash.
Yeah, dash comes in handy.
So, wait, can you, like, parry it when you're under it?
Yeah, as long as you press A on it.
Thank you.
I'll just clear the way for you, Morgan.
Thanks, bro. You got hit. Loser.
Oh, damn.
Shit.
Acorn! I hate the acorns. Oh, dash! Okay, now just run through these guys. Freak.
Oh, I landed on the fart bubble!
Okay, now shoot the crap out of this guy. Don't get hit by the acorns. He makes the acorns.
Here, just, you shoot him, I'll shoot the acorn. Kanan!
Ah! Save
Gotcha!
me! You got me! Yes! Let's go! Okay, careful, because those things...
Yeah, I gotta time it right.
Go!
Shoot the blue guy for
Okay,
me.
he's gonna come back to life, though. That's the thing. Okay, wait. Shoot that guy for me.
Got him. Go.
Okay, go! Now dash across!
Get this mushroom mofo.
Okay, now this guy.
We gotta get up high.
Dash! Oh, dude. Freaking luck.
Yeah, it's so fun,
Running gun!
dude. Fuck yeah.
It only took us 10 minutes.
Gosh. 8 minutes. Go.
Oh.
That was an A grade. I saved your ass.
You did save me, bro. Thanks.
We got a B! That's the highest score we've gotten yet.
Oh, yeah, we got
got 2 B
minuses.
minuses. Oh my gosh, my throat hurts.
That's what you and your wife tried?
Yeah, that's the one we tried. So when you're like, yeah, you played this low, you know what you're doing. I'm like, what the frick is the giant carrot?
Most of the levels are bosses like the carrot.
Okay. So that gives us a way to go right or to go down. So what should we do?
Let's go this way.
Okay. We can't go up there.
So we were already this guy, remember?
Oh, yeah. Oh, so this opens the forest way down here.
Talk to the fishy.
Hello, fish.
The fishy.
Be gone, spirits. Oh, wait, you're real.
Oh, that's interesting. Okay. Tell me more. Okay, did you read what she said?
No, I did not.
Oh my, okay. So there's ghosts in here, and you can't shoot them. If you shoot them, we lose. You have to parry every ghost.
Are you serious?
So you cover right side, I'll cover left side, okay?
Okay. Okay, shoot everything in sight.
I just jumped on this and was don't shoot. No, don't shoot. If we shoot, we lose. I love how the ghosts look though. Look how funny they look. Look.
They look like sperm.
It's funny, like, ooh, I'm gonna scare the shit out of you.
Well, this is probably the easiest level yet.
Yeah, it's easy.
Probably gets really hard, right?
No, not really. Yeah. Really.
I'm gonna shoot it. Oh!
Don't shoot him. I'm gonna scare the shit out of you.
Dude, I'm glad you told me that you can parry from underneath guys.
Yeah, you can parry from
I was so
either way.
stressed about those purple frickin' spike balls.
I think when you parry, you just hit him with your straw, basically.
Oh yeah, your straw gets like a
And
lot
then
bigger.
there's little old ones that have mustaches and they're fast. I don't know why the old ones are faster. Yeah. Look.
Can't parry twice, right?
No! No! You didn't do your job. You died inside. No, it got the.
You can't parry
the
twice,
vase.
dude.
Yes, you can. You can parry and then jump and parry and get another guy.
I tried to, but you're a dick.
Wait, they can't get this vase thing.
Oh, I thought it just like touched you and you died. Dude, could you leave my side alone?
I gotta do both because you can't. You can't do it. Get him!
I want him to get closer so I can jump back on the platform.
I'm just joking.
God,
Calm
you
down.
freak. I'm gonna shoot your ghost.
Then we'd lose again.
Good. Be your fault.
Ooh, scary.
I don't like the old dudes. You said this was easy.
The old ones are scary. Look at that. Look how fast he goes.
He has the little top hat, dude, and the top hat flies down. It's gonna be like 5 old ones at once, isn't there?
Probably. I think we're almost done, actually.
Oh gosh.
Yeah.
We did it! Oh my gosh,
we
that's
get
stressful.
treasure.
Hey,
Look at her
how
mouth
you
move.
doing, honey?
Gosh, I don't know how to thank you, boys. So, check out my ass for saving me.
I was like, wait, she didn't say.
Where are my manners? I didn't even introduce myself. I'm the Ass Ghost.
At least take me
I
out
am
to dinner
known
first.
as the legendary Chalice. Pleased to meet you. I'm searching for magic and got trapped by these gay ghosts. Speaking of magic, please accept this gift. It should help. It's my ass. There are other mausoleums around Inkwell Isle. I just wonder if I'll get trapped in them again, just like the damn Princess Peach that follows Mario every 5 fucking seconds.
Wow, that's escalated really fast.
She's just jealous because Peach is more famous. Sweet, what's this? Is that Act 1 done?
Let's see.
Dear me,
Dude, her voice is hurting my frickin' voice.
you must forget that magical super arts have to be equipped in the menu before use.
Okay. Okay.
So what's she talking about? Super?
Okay. Energy beam. Select
seen-
energy beam, Morgan.
What's she talking about?
Oh, it's just a superpower. It's like an energy beam.
Oh, that's it? Oh, okay. All right. Well, we'll continue this journey next time. Love you guys.
On Joystick Jokers.